Turkish food is famous for its rich flavors, but did you know it also hides some incredible mysteries? From secret recipes of Ottoman palaces to magical drinks with hidden powers, get ready to uncover the unknown side of Turkish cuisine. 1. Turkish Delight, a sweet secret. First up, lokum, or as the world knows it, Turkish Delight. This isn't just a sweet treat. In the Ottoman era, it was believed to have secret aphrodisiac properties. Only royal confectionaires knew the exact formula, and some say, the original recipe is still a mystery. 2. Ayran, the mystical drink. Thirsty? Ayran, the salty yogurt drink, is more than just refreshing. It's said to have mysterious calming effects, and some claim it can even cure hangovers. Could this be the world's most underrated super drink? 3. Kokoreç, the secret of the streets. Kokoreç, a dish made from seasoned lamb intestines, has an unknown past. Some say it dates back to ancient warriors, while others believe it was a hidden Ottoman delicacy. One thing's for sure, it's one of Turkey's most controversial yet delicious street foods. 4. Dondurma, the ice cream that won't melt. Ever seen ice cream that doesn't melt? That's dondurma, made with a rare orchid root called salep. Some say the original Ottoman recipe had secret herbs that could boost memory. But today, the rarest version of this ice cream is nearly extinct. 5. Hamsi, the Black Sea's mysterious fish. In Turkey's Black Sea region, hamsi isn't just food, it's a way of life. Legends say that an entire city once survived a siege by eating nothing but these tiny fish. And locals claim, it's the reason they live long and strong. 6. Turkish coffee, more than just a drink. Turkish coffee is famous, but did you know it was once used for fortune-telling? Some say sultans made political decisions based on coffee readings. So next time you sip a cup, take a peek at the patterns. Who knows what your future holds? From lost palace recipes to magical drinks and mystery fish, Turkish cuisine is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Which mystery surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food stories. In this video, we dive deep into the unknown side of Turkish food, revealing surprising facts about Ayran, Kokoreç, Dondurma, and even the legendary Black Sea anchovies. Get ready to explore a world where food is more than just sustenance, it's a legacy filled with hidden meanings and forgotten tales.